My name is Naomi Hall. I am a senior nursing major, and I am born and raised here in Decatur, Illinois. I chose to pursue a career in nursing because I've always had a desire to work in healthcare. As a kid, I thought I wanted to be a pediatrician because that's what I saw. But as I started doing some job shadowing and some internships in high school, I realized that nursing was the career that I really wanted because I was able to do hands-on patient care. Here at the nursing program at Millikin, I've gotten a lot of performance learning opportunities, being able to do a health assessment class and being able to actually perform those skills on my classmates and then actually replicate that in the actual clinical setting has been really good. Also, going to clinical has been a really great experience, being able to perform those skills that we're learning in class on actual human beings. Going into health assessment and just nursing in general, I was really nervous about learning how to do IVs, learning how to do Foley insertions. Those things are they seem really hard and very complicated, and they can be, but they actually make sure that we understand it. And now that I am performing it in the clinical setting, I'm doing well, and it's actually a really good confidence boost. One thing that stands out about Millikin School of Nursing are the professors. They make sure that they really pour into us and make sure that we understand the things that we are learning in class so that we can go out and actually be competent nurses. I feel like I'm really being prepared to go out and actually give good quality of care. A highlight for me at Millikin School of Nursing has been being able to go to clinical and being able to actually perform the skills that we are learning in class. That was probably my best thing. Also, just being able to make friendships in class, and I feel like a lot of the people that I've met here at Millikin, I'm gonna be friends with them forever. Here at Millikin, I am involved in a lot on campus. I am the president of InterVarsity Christian Fellowship. I am the secretary for Alpha Tau Delta, which is a nursing fraternity. I am a member of the Nursing Student National Association. I'm a member of Sigma, which is a nursing honor society. I feel like the list just goes on. Millikin has prepared me a lot for life after graduation. The biggest thing that we have to do is pass our boards, and so I feel like they're preparing us to go and actually pass the NCLEX and also go out and be good nurses. I am hoping to be an intensive care nurse, which I actually accepted my first job right after college at St. Mary's, and so I'm excited to go out and give care to critical patients, something I'm really excited for. Millikin has changed my perspective on nursing because it has broadened my view of what nursing can be. There's so many different areas. You don't have to just work in the hospital. You can work in a clinic, or you can work at a school. You can work on a helicopter. There's so many areas of nursing, and so I feel like that has really opened up for me.